you will need to add two more checkpoint detection rules to the checkpoint detection rules array. So this is our array, the checkpoint detection rules, and the instruction says we should add two more inside here, just as these. And the first rule says it should check the player's position x, player's position x minus the player's width is less than or equal to the checkpoint's position x. Okay. Minus the checkpoint's width. Hmm? Plus the player's width multiplied by 0.9, comma. So this is our first rule. And the second rule should check if the index is strictly equal to 0. So we call here the index, which is the parameter here, and strictly operator, that is triple equal, and assign it to 0. Or if the previous checkpoint, which is this one, so let's have here our OR operator. It says it is a previous checkpoint because we have accessed our checkpoint -1. So this -1 indicates that we will be accessing the previous one because there is a minus here. And then it should, if it is true, so we use the strict operator in it, and a comma. Oops. So what did we do wrong? The player position of x minus player width. Oh, oops. Checkpoint position of x minus checkpoint that width plus player. Oh, wrong spelling. Oh, still wrong. Player that width multiplied by 0.9. So what you have to do here, if you can locate or distinguish or find the error or syntax error in your code, is that you just copy paste this one and paste it in here. Okay, nice.